This fantastic 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab, short bed truck has comfortable DKSL/MEGRYSDN 40/20/40 seats, and is equipped with a responsive 4.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a reliable 5-speed automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio, an MP3 player and a trip computer. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has child safety locks, privacy glass on all windows and a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.